Today, this is my classroom API with two collections. You can see the JSON with the dependencies, the package, the app, like it ignore the swagger, and the population, the teacher root, the student root, the student models, and the controllers too, and also the database. Okay. Now I will show you my API. You can see this is I need to see in wait a minute. Okay, this is in Korean render. Okay, this is in render. So is execute. I could see all the students. Okay, in this part. Okay, I can post. Okay, okay. You will see the response. Okay, then I can obtain or get a student using an IG. You see, this stuff. Example, okay. In this case, I do not think because I use the same one as the example, okay? But that's why. So maybe I can clear and use one of the I think for example, this is a something. Let me see. I like that. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay. You can use with you can execute, execute, and you go con student. Okay, Moni Lopez. Okay. Now I will show you that I can add some information in change. Okay, for example, I change some information here and I can delete students and you can see it was a student not found because he deleted. Now I will show you the teachers. You can see all the teachers here and I can modify some code and also some Elliot and you can see some Elliot here. Okay, so it's perfect. Get the API teacher. You can see Barbara Care because that's the ID. And API teacher ID, for example, I can try it out. And for example, maybe that's enough. That is the example. I need some, yeah, this is a lot of information I got with. For example, okay, this one is a star ID and I report and okay, the attendor was is error because these those don't correspond to this one. Okay, and since I want to delete um a teacher, I will need to try it out and then execute, execute, and change teacher not found. Okay, and here you will see the schemas. teacher for, sorry, schema, sorry, schemas, okay, for teachers, for the student info, and teacher meeting. Also, here you can see the repository, okay, and this is my office for classroom, and I I enjoy doing, and I hope you enjoy it as I did. Okay, before it's working perfectly locally, and in Blender too. Okay, every report is working. If you input something that is wrong, the app works perfectly. Okay.